A YouTube channel gets 5 million views per month. I copied their entire video production process in 5 minutes using AI. And it worked. The channel uploads animated history videos under 10 minutes. These used to cost thousands to produce. Now AI does it in seconds. But here's the real question. If anyone can do this, how do you stand out and actually make money? Let me break down what I did, what it means for creators, and the strategic moves that separate winners from noise. What I did I took a top-performing video from the channel, What Happened When Kamikaze Pilots Failed, and used Tube Magic to generate a script. Then I connected Claude to Higgsfield's MCP, a connector that lets AI generate videos. I picked an explainer video template, pasted the script, and hit generate. Result: a 3-minute animated video that looks better than the original. In minutes, not days. Higgsfield's new explainer video feature offers templates, 2D illustrated, whiteboard doodle, 3D mix, consistent character design, color palette, and scene assembly. All automated. The opportunity This isn't just about history channels. Any niche that benefits from visual storytelling is now accessible. Science, tech explainers, business case studies, biography, even scripture analysis. For Moroccan and MENA creators, this is a massive opening. Local history, culture, and untold stories have zero competition in this format. A channel teaching Moroccan history in animated form could capture a loyal audience with minimal production cost. The trap easy creation leads to saturation. If everyone can make a video in 5 minutes, the market floods. The channels that win won't be the ones with the best AI, they'll be the ones with the best strategy. 3 differentiators. 1. Niche depth pick a narrow topic and own it. History of Moroccan inventions beats world history every time. 2. Storytelling quality AI writes scripts, but you must edit for emotion, pacing, and hooks. The human touch matters. 3. Consistency and branding same character style, same voice, same posting schedule. Build a recognizable identity. Common mistakes uploading raw AI output without editing. Viewers can tell. Picking oversaturated niches, e.g., generic ancient Egypt. Ignoring YouTube SEO, titles, thumbnails, descriptions still need human optimization. Expecting instant virality. Building an audience takes months of consistent output. Key takeaways AI video generation is a force multiplier, not a replacement for strategy.